Hey everyone, welcome to the kind of unboxing of the Crucial memory or RAM kit. I don't know what you want to call it, memory sticks or whatever. Anyways, it's kind of an unboxing because I mean you can already see it right there. But these right here, I got the 8GB version, so right here is two 4GB sticks. I will do a video showing you how to put those into the Mac Mini later. But yeah, here it is, and these run for about 50 bucks on the Crucial website, crucial.com. And so yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. Just wanted to make it real quick and show you guys that